welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yash, checking back in with another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey y'all, long time no see. So first and foremost, I want to say happy new year. It is 2025. Hey, hopefully y'all still rocking with me, because I know I've been ghost and I ain't been posting, but I'm back because I heard TikTok gonna get banned or whatever the case may be. I hope not, but if it do for real, I need to get in my YouTube bag, okay? So with that being said, this is the first video of 2025. Hey, clock it. So yeah, currently I just woke up. I just got a notification on my phone that my packages were delivered. So we're gonna start with a little haul. So yeah, let's get into it. The first package I received was from this company, from TikTok shop. It's just some lash, it's some lash clusters, y'all. They're really giving, like they're eating. I never tried lash clusters before. I always wanted to, so I'm happy that, you feel me, I could try these out. So yeah, this is the first promo of 2025. Hey, clock it, your girl getting into that content bag, okay? So yeah, stay tuned for You Look lash clusters. Next package, I honestly don't know what this is, so we're just gonna open it. Oh yeah, y'all, look at my nails. Like, I went to a new nail shop yesterday and they ate down. This girl named Mimi, that's number 3. She ate, like, when I say she ate and literally left no crumbs. It's giving like emo, not emo, I don't know, I never really tried black nails, so, but they're eating. So this is my wig, y'all. I ordered a 14-inch, y'all. Okay, this kind of got some inch to it. I like it, because you know, like, sometimes when you order wigs, let me correct myself. When you order wigs from like Temu or SHEIN, y'all, this is a SHEIN wig. They be like, the inches don't be accurate. But anyway, it comes with a wig cap, the wig, of course, and it comes with whatever this is, a band, I'm thinking. I don't know. I got two pair of glasses. I actually ordered these from one of my, she's not my supervisor, but one of the ladies that work at my job. She's a different department supervisor. She cool, and she liked my glasses, which is the ones that are on my face right now, and she wanted me to order her some. So yeah, I got her some. I'm gonna just show y'all, because why not? And we got her a different pair because she wanted a little oval pair, like, yeah. So this is the little case it comes with. Very cute, very demure. And boom, these are the glasses, y'all. I don't really want to open them, but they like got the little oval shape. So yeah, she got that. And I'm actually gonna give these to her today because I got work today, y'all. This the other pair that came in this box. I ain't really gotta open it because it's these lashes that I have on right here, y'all. Like, these are T. So we saved the best for last, the big bag, of course. So let's get into this bag. So these are some little yoga pants, y'all. I don't know why I've been messing with yoga pants. Like, I just feel like it really makes the booty look nice. Like, it's sit up right. It's just showing a lot that needs to be shown, period. These are cute, y'all. Oh, I might wear these today. These are T. And yeah, they're long too, just like how I need them to be. I ordered me another pair of glasses, y'all. I just love glasses. Like, I really love glasses. I love hats. Like, that's just the way to my heart. So it comes with one of the little dust little things, of course. And y'all, look at these. I might wear these today. These are cute. Y'all, look at the print. These is T. Let me try these on. It's only right. Y'all, I love glasses. Like, I don't really have 20/20 vision, but I just love glasses. I love the aesthetic that it gives. And yeah, these are T. So the next thing that I got was some earrings, because y'all, I really need some. Like, I literally have like 4 holes on each ear, and y'all have nothing in my ears. I'm out here looking like a little boy with no earrings in. This is another pair of leggings. Y'all, I love leggings. Like, I'm a legging girl. Like, I love leggings, yoga pants. Like, I don't really like jeans. So these are them little workout leggings that give you like the little booty lift. And then this is the brown pair, y'all. It's the same as the last one I showed y'all. They're just brown, so I'm not gonna open it. Next thing I got was some socks. These are well needed, okay? Your girl needs some socks. Like, my socks just be walking. Them motherfuckers be running out of here, okay? I can never find no socks. Like, it's a 20-pack, I think. I need that. Gotta have that.
I need that. Whoa. I want that. Yeah. I have that.
Yo, I got some screen protectors because my screen protector that's on my phone right now, it cracked. So I don't want no cracked screen protector, so I got these. So yeah, I got me a case, a pink case. It's very cute, very demure. Yo, I love pink now. Like, pink is really my favorite color now. Like, pink just be in. Y'all, pink, look at the bonnet. the shirt, the case. So I got these little clips. Real cute, real demure. Then I got me some nose rings, y'all, because I'm tired of just wearing this little plain stud. It's cute, but it's like, I need to come different. So, period. It's the first haul of 2025. Stay tuned for more. And yeah. I said,